Hi folks, Dr. Jeff here from Ear Care Specialists in Nottingham. Thanks for joining me. This chap attended the clinic with bilaterally occluding wax, and he had used cotton buds and pushed the wax right down towards his eardrum, which was problematic. We used lots of oil drops during this appointment in order to get the wax moving and coming out. On the left side here, it wasn't too troublesome and we were able to remove it fairly quickly. See this coming out in a moment, and then we move on to the more troublesome side, which was the right ear. So here we go, left side, out it comes, and the eardrum was intact, no other signs of wax. We move across to the right ear. Now, the patient did report some blood from this side as well, which is never a good sign. However, the eardrum seemed healthy, a little bit red, but nothing in the way of perforations or damage. So I can only assume that the blood came from just a scratch to the ear canal wall, which is relatively thin and delicate, and it can be scratched with cotton buds. So first plug out, and we go back in, and there's an even bigger one down there. So wait until the end to see the size of this one. It's absolutely huge. Even I was quite shocked when it came out. We use some oil drops, we use sodium bicarb drops as well, just to try and get things moving and fizzing away. We then go back in. You can tell I've obviously speeded this video up fairly significantly because it was quite a painstaking process. However, we do get there in the end, and the patient was very relieved, to say the least. So we're wiggling around. In a moment, I'm going to move the speculum out of the way, and we're going to start to bring this big old lump of wax out. The patient reports never to have had wax removal, and again, given the darkness of the wax, you can tell just how old it is. It's oxidized. It's been there for a long time, so he'll feel really relieved once it's out, and his hearing will be significantly improved.